Hello and welcome to the Global Software Industry Briefing for Thursday, April 9th, 2026. Building on yesterday's themes of autonomous infrastructure, the last 24 hours have marked a massive shift toward the biodigital interface and neuromorphic software. As traditional silicon architectures face scaling limits, the industry is looking towards software layers designed to mimic biological neural efficiency and living code that can regenerate its own logic gates. As always, for the deep dive, please read the full news links provided in the video description. Let's get into today's top updates. We start with three major acquisitions. Adobe has finalized a strategic $1.2 billion deal for NeuralPaint, a startup specializing in direct-to-brain creative interfaces. This technology will be integrated into Photoshop 2027 to allow for thought-to-canvas conceptualization. Meanwhile, Alphabet finalized its $900 million purchase of BioData Link, specializing in synthetic DNA data storage software for Google Cloud. Finally, CrowdStrike has absorbed a specialized biotech software firm to launch biological identity verification using real-time genetic markers for high-security cloud access. In workforce news, Oracle announced a reduction of 2,500 roles in its legacy SQL database division, while hiring 700 neural net database architects. LinkedIn confirmed a staff realignment, moving resources toward AI-human synergy coaches to help teams integrate autonomous agents. Reflecting these shifts, demand for synthetic biology coders has spiked by 60% this week as firms explore biological computing to slash energy costs. In AI, OpenAI researchers demonstrated Logic Pulse, a breakthrough in asynchronous reasoning that mimics a human gut feeling. Google DeepMind unveiled Alpha Proteome Cloud, a software layer that simulates protein folding in real time, accelerating drug discovery from years to days. And Meta has released Myelin OS, an open-source neuromorphic operating system designed for low-power chips that mimic human brain spikes. Microsoft has moved its biological authentication framework, Windows Bio, to general availability, using real-time metabolic signatures for authorization. Apple launched Swift Neural 2.0, allowing developers to write spiking neural code optimized for biomimetic NPUs. Finally, GitHub launched a specialized extension for bioengineers, capable of suggestively coding DNA sequences and protein structures. NVIDIA and Moderna announced a joint platform that uses Blackwell chips to simulate mRNA vaccine responses across millions of digital human twins. Tesla and SpaceX signed a Starlink Neural Pact for millisecond-level coordination between satellite arrays and full self-driving vehicles. Additionally, the Linux Foundation launched Project BioKernel to create a standardized software kernel for wetware computing. Critical warnings: Palo Alto Networks issued an alert regarding bio-spoofing, where synthetic metabolic signatures bypass biological authentication. Cloudflare updated its firewall to include a sequence filter that blocks malicious AI-generated DNA blueprints from synthetic biology labs. Lastly, a widespread bug in a common bio-runtime library, the clock sync bug, is causing biological logic gates to desynchronize. That concludes the briefing for April 9th, 2026. Secure your sequences and sync your clocks. We'll see you in the next update.